Hey, what's up guys? Alex here, coming to you from Terminal 1 here at Toronto Pearson International Airport. It's Friday, November 28th, which is Black Friday, and it's around 9:35 a.m. And today, I'm going to show you the fastest way to get from Pearson Airport to downtown Toronto. There's several options, but the fastest way to do so is by taking the Up Express train. Now, back in August, late summer, I did a video showing y'all how to get from Union Station in downtown Toronto to Pearson Airport. And now we're gonna be going in the opposite direction. And this is especially important because maybe a lot of you guys are new to Toronto, you've never visited here before, or maybe you're visiting for the first time in I don't know how many years. Doesn't matter. This video is going to show you the fastest and dependable way to get from Pearson Airport to downtown Toronto. So let me tell you about the Up Express train. This service opened in 2015 and has 5 stations now. A 5th one just opened up 2 weeks ago at Mount Dennis. But we have 5 stations on the Up Express line, counting Pearson Station, which is at Terminal 1, Weston, Mount Dennis, Bloor, and then Union Station. So to get to the Up Express platform, we have to follow the sign that says Train to City. Of course, you have luggage, definitely take the elevator. And also, if you're arriving from Terminal 3, you need to take the Terminal Link train, which is the free shuttle service connecting both terminals. So we have to go this way. It's a beautiful morning here in Toronto. Well, actually, we're in Mississauga right now, but we're literally on the western boundary of Toronto. So if you guys want to check out the video I did on the Up Express from downtown to Pearson, you can check that out. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Now, you guys are probably wondering, what's the cost? So it's a little bit expensive, but it'll be worth it. For an adult fare, it's $12.35. But if you get a Presto card, which you can use anywhere around the GTA, but the Toronto Transit Commission, subway, streetcar, commuter trains, that'll get you at $9.25. But if you're a student or a post-secondary student like me, you can get it at a discount, with the fare being $7.41. Of course, just like I said, there's several options to get from here. Don't take rideshare services or a car because, again, Toronto is a very congested city. You're going to have a hard time getting down there, and that would take probably like more than an hour. You can also take the Toronto Transit Commission. You can take the 900 Airport Express bus to Kipling Subway Station. That will take about 15 minutes, and you can just take the Line 2 subway all the way to Bloor Yonge, and that'll take about 45 minutes. But of course, we're doing the fastest way, and it's a very, very stress-free option if you have enough luggage or whatever, you just want to get downtown quickly as possible. So this is the Terminal 1 station for the Link train. We got to walk all the way this way. Look out for the Up Express sign. So again, if you're coming from Terminal 3, you need to take the train here. And the Up Express runs 7 days a week, departing every 15 minutes. It does not run overnight though. So if you do arrive here in the overnight hours, you can just take a Uber or a rideshare service Of course, that'll be much faster. You'll have no problem with that. But during the daytime, that's a no-no. Okay, here are the fare vending machines. So if you want to buy your ticket here, you sure can. Want to get a regular ticket, again, that's $12.35 for an adult. Select your destination. Of course, you want to select Union. Single ride. There it is right there. Or if you want to get a Presto card, select that option. Buy a new Presto card. And again, that'll get you at $9.25. And then if you load enough money, you can actually use it on the subway and LRT system. And I think I just missed a train here.
Yeah, there'll be another one coming in a couple minutes.
Thank you. Anyway, here is the map. So again, this is a brand new map. It literally has 5 stations now. Literally here, we're gonna go all the way down to Union. And there are service adjustments taking place this weekend, but nobody cares about that. All right, so this will give me enough time to look around the station. And then when the train arrives, I guess I'll show you the inside because it's quite comfortable. All right, so if you have a Presto card, take it out and then just tap it onto the device here. Mm-hmm. It's actually not that busy. I probably missed the busiest hour. All right, 13 minutes, so I'm gonna be stuck here for a little bit until the train arrives. Another thing, another option for paying your fare. You can pay with your credit card or debit card or on your mobile device, Google Pay, Apple Wallet. And there is the current time right now. It's Black Friday. So I would have expected it to be a lot busier because, this is one of the busiest shopping days of the year. And again, it's a 28-minute ride, so travel times have slightly increased with the addition of Mount Dennis Station. But a little tip here: if you're staying at the north end of downtown Toronto, get off at Bloor and then walk over to the Dundas West subway station and take Line 2 across. At Mount Dennis, you can connect to the Line 5 LRT, which is literally about to open up. But yeah, these are the stops. Anyway, to avoid running out of storage, we're gonna chill here, wait for our train. It's gonna come on this side though, so we got 11 minutes. Oh, here it comes now. That's the view looking north. There's the Sheraton Hotel, and there's Terminal 3. The only time I've taken the Up Express after or before a flight was last year when I was coming back from New York City. I recently did fly out to Vancouver back in the summer and back, but we only used oh look, there's the Link train, but we only used the friggin' Uber. But so the Up Express uses diesel trains that were built in Japan. It was criticized for not being electrified, which I think would have been a much better option. But you know what? This is okay. I guess there are plans to hopefully electrify the line in the future. Oh, it's over here. Oh, well.
You may board first.
All right, we're gonna pick this seat here. At least you get a full picture window. By the way, this train's not departing just yet. Give it 7 minutes. I'll quickly show you the interior of the train here. Seats are comfortable. There's also these tray tables if you want to, you know, put your snack or drink here, whatever it is. There's also space for luggage right here. And there's a map of the line somewhere. Look, more space for luggage. Yeah, that's just the that's pretty much what a train looks like. So you can definitely sit back, relax, and get comfortable for 28 minutes. Let me get another thumbnail of the interior. And look, there's also charging outlets. You can charge your mobile device, your phone, or whatever. And there's also onboard Wi-Fi on the train. It's actually pretty good. And here is, once again, a map. So we have 4 more stations. And you can connect to the Line 1 subway, Line 2 subway, or Line 5 LRT for your local transit connections. Or if you're going somewhere else, you can go to Union Station, catch a commuter train to anywhere in the suburbs. All right, so I'm gonna pull out my other camera and record a full ride video heading to Union. You can check that out. Otherwise, this one is gonna be a condensed version, so at least I can show you guys what the experience is like from, you know, getting onto the train and then leaving, and then yeah, so stay tuned.
A few moments later.
À bagages situé au-dessus de votre tête. We would also remind Presto card users to tap off after you disembark. Please tap off using the same disembark. Please tap off using the same Presto card, debit card, credit card, or card on your phone or watch. Any stowed overhead. Presto card users, we remind you to tap off after you disembark. Please tap off using the same Presto card, debit card, credit card, or card on your phone or watch that you tapped off with. Nous arrivons à la gare Union au centre-ville de Toronto. Terminus de ce service. Tous les passagers sont arrivés ici. Bon retour. C'était un plaisir de vous accueillir et nous espérons vous revoir bientôt à bord de Union-Pearson Express.
One last look at the train. And here we are, Toronto Union Station here in downtown. So this took slightly longer than it should have, but it did take exactly 30 minutes. When I edit the full video, I'll have to see how long that took without, you know, the wait times and stuff. So anyway, here we are, Union Station. Make sure you tap off and somebody is recording. Remember to tap off using the same method of device. One last look at the station. And it is now, actually I'll see there's a clock around here. I think it's around 9:25. Or sorry, 10:25. Oh, look, this is new here. All right, so from here you have several options. Let's say you're staying at the Royal York Hotel, which is literally across the street. That will be very easy for you. Just cross over at the intersection, or you can go underground and take the path network to get there. Or if your hotel is a bit north of here, but still not too far, like let's say you're staying at the Sheraton or the Hilton Hotel, downtown is walkable. If you want to brave the cold and to get familiar with your bearings, you can definitely do that. Or if it's too cold outside, you can, like I said, you can take the underground path network. Pretty much gets you everywhere. Just be prepared to get lost. Or if you want to get there faster, follow the signs to the TTC Union subway station, and you can take line 1. You can use your same Presto card if you have enough money, of course. Or if you're continuing elsewhere, you can hop on a GO commuter train from here. But for all the visitors, you know, you're typically going to be spending a lot of your time here in downtown Toronto. And the holiday, oh shit, I almost stumbled. And the holiday spirit is alive and well here at Union Station. This is the Great Hall. And then we'll go outside and wrap things up. And here we are. There's the Royal York Hotel. So again, getting there should definitely be a breeze for you. But like I said, if you're staying somewhere else, you can, again, take the underground path network or the subway. It's very easy. Of course, the fare for that is around $3.35. And yeah, so we've made it from Pearson Airport to downtown Toronto in half an hour. And I'm gonna wrap up this video. So guys, thank you very much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos. Check out my others as well. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. And make sure you check out my other video where I took the Up Express from here to Pearson Airport. Take care and peace out. Bye-bye.